Ever feel like you're the only one stressed about money? You're not. Let's demystify it with a magic wand called budgeting. It's your golden ticket to financial clarity and, yes, owning your future. At its core, budgeting is about simple math. Your expenses should be less than your income. Money out, less than money in. That's it, that's the formula. But here's the truth. Budgeting is about more than math. It's about meaning. It's deciding where your dollars go and whether those choices reflect what truly matters to you. Love dinner dates with friends? Then maybe those new shoes get a smaller slice of the budget pie. Your spending should reflect your values, not society's, not your friends', and definitely not what social media ads are selling. When you check in with your spending each week or month, you start to notice patterns. Maybe you're eating out more than you want to, or maybe you're not investing as much as you'd hope. That awareness gives you ownership over your money and prevents others from owning your future. Now, for those of us less detail-oriented or easily overwhelmed, I've got you covered. Here are a few simple habits that can help budgeting feel doable. Number 1, use a budgeting app. Choose one that doesn't stress you out. There are dozens available, so if the first one doesn't click, try another. Find one that fits with your lifestyle and stick with it. Tip number 2, set up autopay. Forgetting to pay a bill is one of the easiest ways to fall into accidental debt or damage your credit score. Let automation do the remembering for you. Set it once, and technology does the heavy lifting. Tip number 3, make a list before you shop, especially if you're hungry or sad. Sad shopping is real and it's dangerous. Go in with a plan and stick to it. You'll save yourself stress and impulse purchases that don't serve your goals. Step number 4, have a weekly money date. Set aside a specific time each week to review your money. No shame, no guilt, just data. Categorize your expenses, negotiate and pay bills when needed. Take a look at where your money is actually going. Try setting a 25-minute timer, and when the timer goes off, you're done. This is not about perfection, it's about consistency. For some people, budgeting is empowering. For others, it's kind of like a root canal, and that's okay. The more you make it a habit, the more confident and in control you'll feel. Because when you own your budget, you truly start to own your future.